Inspiring Lady Chef channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. Today, we are making berry blast baklava pie. So let's do this right now.
Here are the ingredients to make our berry baklava pie, and for the recipe, it's always located in the description down below. First is Filo Pastry. Second are berries, but you can use any type of fruits you prefer. My first berry choice is blueberries. The next combination are strawberries. The last ingredient are fresh cherries, not canned. Next is Korean honey citrus or plain honey. For sweetness, use white sugar. To get that velvety taste, use butter. To have a golden crust color, use egg yolks. For the utensils, we need mortar and pestle. Last but not the least is cupcake tray. Alright, home cooks, let's start by making the filling. In here we have the berries, sugar, honey citrus, mortar, and pestle. In the mortar, add all the sugar. First is adding the blueberries. Then add strawberries. Next are fresh cherries. Last is add honey citrus jam. Then smash everything together until it becomes a little bit mushy. This is the consistency I want, home cooks. Don't make it too saucy, but reserve the fruit's texture. Get ready the fruit mix, Filo pastry, and cupcake tray to make our berry baklava pie. The first step, we will use the Filo pastry, and let's remove it from the box now. Since we are ready, get your Filo pastry, butter, egg wash, and brush. Get one Filo pastry and brush it with butter. Do this per sheet because the butter will help it cook and make it tasty. So let's speed it up, home cooks. Use 4 to 6 sheets of Filo pastry when making the base of the pie because the pastry itself is thin. We need to make the baklava stable by adding sheets to thicken it. Next is wrap it like a small pie, just like how I did in this video. Just repeat the same steps, and it depends how you want to shape yours. It's better to be creative. Yes! We're done, home cooks! Get ready your berry mix, then remove the juice and place it in the Filo pastry pie molds. So let's speed this up! Did you remember to reserve the berries earlier? Now, place them on top of the filling. Then, add some of the berry juice on top to make it flavorful, and apply egg wash on the baklava's crust to make it golden and crispy. Make sure to preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. They look gorgeous! Delicioso! And let's bake it for 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. I present to you my authentic berry baklava pie, and we know what home cooks love to do is turning up the music.